Hey guys, Alex Ryan here and welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to reveal a pretty powerful tool if you're looking to sell on Amazon. Maybe you've been thinking about it for a while, maybe you're sort of unsure about what product to sell on Amazon. Then I'm going to share in this very quick video one tool that I reckon everyone, I say that everyone looking to sell on Amazon need to have this in their repertoire, need to have this on their phone. Now, I don't know, so we've got some people who are Android users, some people have got Apple iPhones, but this is the tool right here. It is the Amazon app. Okay, the Amazon app. Now, you should see it on the screen right there next to me, right? And this is my little screen right now. So guys, this is one of the most powerful tools that you can have. And let me show you why, right? This is the camera app right here. I've just clicked the camera button, okay? And I've got a book here. Now, this is a book that I bought years ago. It's actually a really good book. You know, get it if you haven't got it, right? So you press the start button, and what it does its magic. This is really cool. And it will search Amazon for this particular product, and yeah, there you go. It's actually found it. So the point of this video is really just to show you guys that if you see a product out and about, if you see something in the markets or you see something online, just zoom in, take a picture of it with your Amazon phone using that app and locate that product. Actually find out, is it selling on Amazon? So if you go into the local markets or you go to your local garage sale and you see something, like basically either take a photo or then and there zap it with your Amazon photo app, and we'll see whether or not it is selling on Amazon. And when you look in the Amazon, you can sort of see the reviews. You can see how long they've been sort of running this thing for, like the business for, how many other things they've got in stock. And then later on, you can do your research on some of these tools that I mentioned on some of my other videos on how much they're making per month. What's their bestseller rank. You can look at the reviews that they've got. What daily sales they're doing, what monthly sales they're doing. All these other things you can do later on. But find out whether or not this is something that is on Amazon. So guys, use the app. Download it if you haven't yet got it. It's a free app. I'm pretty sure it's in the Android store, but these are just tools, guys. A lot of tools in your arsenal. The more stuff you have at your disposal, the easier it is to actually get something started. So I wish you the best on your Amazon journey, guys, and your importing journey. And if you've ever sort of stuck, maybe you're not too sure what product to get involved with, maybe not too sure what niche is very profitable, then check us out, guys. We've got a free video program. So we've actually got a free sort of Amazon FBA course on our website, and we give a lot of value away. We give you hot product ideas, we give you niches to jump onto, and this is 100% free, no credit cards or anything. So check us out. The link is on this page somewhere and on this video, so check us out, guys. And by the way, I have been doing this for a while, for many years. I've been doing importing now for about 10 years, buying and selling stuff. And I've also an author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. I have been doing this for a while. I've been a professional product finder for my clients as well. So that's what I specialize in finding hot products that people actually are searching for, that people actually want to buy. And that's usually the biggest hurdle most people have before getting involved with Amazon or getting involved with selling online, is that they just don't know what niche is profitable. So guys, I help you with that. That's my specialty. I work with clients for 2 years, and we not only find the hot product, that's usually done in the first 2 weeks of me working with them. All right, we now at least 10 hot product ideas, usually within a day or maybe 20 or 48 hours of working with me. Right now, we spend the next 2 weeks. We work on other stuff like contacting suppliers and basically getting the best price, negotiating the negotiating skills happening, and then we launch it on Amazon. I actually help you launch it on Amazon. All right, so if you're looking to find out more information, give us a bell, call us at the office, and give us a call at the office, or visit our website below and subscribe to that free video program. We've also got a free webinar, guys. My name is Alex Ryan. I want to thank you again for watching this video, and to your Amazon and importing success. Bye-bye for now. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. You know, some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire?